Somebody from the Northeast sent me this news item from India Today, because this is a matter which is pending in the Honorable Supreme Court, and this relates to the incidents which happened in 2021 in Mon district of Nagaland, where 13 civilians were killed in a botched up operation to ambush militants. In this particular matter, 30 army personnel were accused, and an SIT was set up. The SIT said that it had clinching evidence against these 30 army personnel for killing these 13 civilians. This matter came up in the Honorable Supreme Court, and the Honorable Supreme Court has issued notice to the Centre, to the Government of India and to the Defence Ministry to answer why they have refused to sanction prosecution of these 30 army personnel, because the state of Nagaland has filed this case in the Supreme Court, because the officers' wives in 2022 had filed a plea whereby the prosecution was stayed, and what they said was that it is mandatory for permission to be obtained before the state could proceed with the prosecution. And ever since, this matter has been pending, and now the state government, that is the Nagaland government, is telling the Honorable Supreme Court that they want to prosecute these army personnel, whereas the state is not giving them sanction to do so. And they have evidence to prove that these 30 army personnel were involved in this botched up ambush for militants, in which these civilians were caught and killed. Now, the point is about this particular news, because it's a very sensitive news, and we just have to wait and watch, because the Government of India, the Defence Ministry, will be replying in the Honorable Supreme Court, and the next hearing will be in September. So watch out for what happens, because there is a BJP government at the centre and the NDPP BJP government in the state, but the state government is saying that the centre is not giving permission for prosecution of these 30 army personnel. If you want to know more about such issues and you want me to make such videos, do keep sharing with me news items or whatever you want me to talk about. I will try to make videos on issues concerning you and whatever you feel needs to be spoken about.